How is your Christmas going? I hope everything is fine. Sometimes you can try to make something for the kids, but in a twist, okay, so that it will be something new to them and it won't be one way to them. Do you get it? So today we are making this delicious bread, but we are going to make it in a form of cinnamon roll, and this was very delicious. So in my bowl I have a cup of soy milk. I'll add a tablespoon of my yeast, a tablespoon of sugar. I'll mix it very well, place it in a warm place for 10 minutes. After that, I've added my 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll mix it very well and then add just a tablespoon of sugar. We are not going to add a lot of sugar because of when you get there you understand it, okay? Thank you so much. I as well added some a pinch of salt. Now we are going to mix this to form a dough before we proceed. So now we have formed the dough, and just look at that. This is what we have. I'm just going to add half of this and then we proceed. You can use any butter, but I usually use the plant-based, okay? I love plants. Oh yes, I would say about 98% of my life is about plants. Yes. So we are just going to knead the dough as you are seeing on the screen. If you don't want it this way, if you can't knead it that way, you can just hit it like as you are seeing on the screen, okay? Yes, so that we can get that soft and beautiful dough that we want. Now I've done that for about 15 minutes and I'm just going to cover it so that it can double inside. After 30 minutes, this is how it looks. So beautiful and perfect. Now we are not going to use our rolling pin, okay? Just use your hand to shape it like how you are seeing on the screen and you are good to go. So this is actually just like bread or maybe bullfruit. Yes, but we just want to do it some aloe or some tatashi or maybe let them know that we can bring them another recipe. Meanwhile, it is bullfruit. Do you get it? That we've baked, but we are just going to style it. Now I'm just going to rub my butter on it, okay? You can use margarine if you want it, but this is what I'm using. So after using it like this, we are just going to add the next ingredient, but the knife wasn't working faster for me, so I decided to use my hand. Why not? You can use your brush, okay, but I'll use my hand for today. And then now I have my ginger, I have some sugar, I have my cinnamon powder. I'll go ahead and mix it and then I'm just going to rub it. Yes, so that is why I did not add a lot of sugar to the flour when we started, okay? Because remember, you don't have to give them a lot of sugar. I watched a video and someone was like, this is for the kids and we are going to add a lot of sugar to it. Yes, don't prepare your food special and prepare anything for your kids. Like treat them special as well. You are lucky you have a good one. Not that mine is bad, but she will never eat. She will tell you, ew, what is this? So you must prepare good food for the kids, not for you only, okay? When you prepare sobolo, don't add a lot of sugar to the sobolo and add a lot of water to it. Make it special, like the way you want yours. Make it nice. So now, after rolling that, we place it in a warm plate for 1 hour and it has doubled in size. I'll put it in my air fryer. Okay, it is in the air fryer and we bake that for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. It is ready. This was very soft and trust me, as I told you earlier, my daughter liked better things. If you prepare something and it is not nice, she will tell you, what is this? It doesn't mean she wasn't trained well. She must eat better things. You don't have to eat better and give them anything that you feel like giving them, okay? They deserve better. So trust me, she finished this. It was left with just 3. I tell you, you will see it getting to the end of the video. So just look at that softness. very fluffy, perfect, and delicious. And this is what is left. She really enjoyed it, but I told her to take a lot of water and then juice because anyway, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.